Healthy eating on a budget. Simple meals for beginners. Tired of expensive takeout? Let's make healthy eating easy and affordable. Start by planning your meals for the week. Check what you already have in your pantry and fridge to avoid unnecessary purchases. This helps reduce food waste and saves money. Focus on affordable staples like beans, lentils, rice, and seasonal vegetables. These are packed with nutrients and can be used in countless recipes. Don't underestimate the power of eggs. Try a simple lentil soup with carrots and celery, or whip up a quick stir fry with rice and your favorite veggies. Remember, healthy doesn't have to be complicated. Shop in season for the best prices on fruits and vegetables. Buy in bulk when possible, and don't be afraid to check out the frozen food aisle. Frozen fruits and veggies are just as nutritious. Now you're ready to create delicious and healthy meals without breaking the bank. Subscribe for more budget-friendly recipes and cooking tips. Share this video with a friend who needs some healthy eating inspiration. Let us know in the comments what your favorite budget meal is.